Hello guys, good evening. Welcome back to another vlog. So guys, right now I'm at Parultola, which is one of the very beautiful villages of Lamding. So guys, just a moment ago I had one tuition, but that tuition was cancelled. So as a result, I got laser. I thought why not go to Parultola and enjoy the annual kirtan and melodious kirtan of Parultola. As a result, I have come over, and right now I am at a cousin brother's house, guys. And on the way to here, Parultola, I got an insect on my eyes because when I was riding bike. Okay, so as a result, as soon as I have come here, I have washed my eyes, guys, and now the insect is out of the eyes. And guys, now I'm going to the main spot of Parultola where the kirtan is going on. Okay, I think you can hear. And guys, yes, now we're going to enjoy the melodious kirtan. At the same time, I will show you the atmosphere of this place. Okay, you just stay with me, guys. So guys, now I am going towards the spot where kirtan is happening. Guys, you can see so many shops have been installed here. So guys, just witnessed a very beautiful atmosphere at Parultola. I enjoyed a very beautiful melodious kirtan, and at the same time, I have, by the grace of God, I have purchased the Bhagavad Gita. You can see this is English version. And guys, it's time to return home, and because I have a tuition from 6. So guys, thank you so much for watching up to this much in this vlog.